Alright, welcome to Ghost Host Kitchen. Today we have a mouth-watering recipe for you. It is the ultimate hush puppy recipe. So let's get into it. First, we're going to need some buttermilk, just a few simple ingredients if you don't have any buttermilk on hand. Use a cup of milk, a tablespoon of lemon juice, mix those two together. It will cause your milk to slightly curdle. Let that sit for 10 minutes while it curdles. Alright, large mixing bowl. You're going to put some cornmeal, all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. And then at the end, for a little extra flavor, we're going to add some pepper. Now you just whisk this together. You could also add some mixed onion or garlic in here. But you want to do it while it's in the dry ingredient phase. Okay, so to your buttermilk, we're going to add an egg. Now we could have put this in a bowl, but you know, we're trying to save dishes here. So just mix that egg right there in the buttermilk. If you do it in a bowl, that's fine too. No worries. Mix that up, make sure it's good and incorporated, and then add that to your dry ingredients. Now, once you've added that to your dry ingredients, you're going to stir, just like that, until you have a nice thick batter, okay? You want a good batter there. Then, you've got to heat your oil. So we're just using canola oil here, I believe, and you're going to heat that up to 375. Make sure that you do not get any of this on you because it will be hot. Alright, so as you can see there, we've hit 375. Just use a scoop or a couple of spoons and drop in your hush puppies in a little dollop, and they'll cook up here. While they're cooking, let me invite you to subscribe, hit the notify button. Find out when every one of our recipes is released, and there they are. Beautiful little hush puppies. Thanks for watching. See you next time.